So when you first arrive, you won't be able to get through the gates, etc., to your accommodation. So you'll see on the left there's a roundabout. You can park up there and then head for this bit here. So you're heading towards the pool. This is the Westshore Club, and then you'll find this little machine here. So you would have been given a number. You key into there. One of those boxes will open, and that gives you your fobs, so that you can get through those gates and also into your building. As you can see, this is very busy, used a lot. This is the pool area. There's 2 pools, some games, change room, toilets, little coffee shop. These rather nice canopy beds. Use your key fob that you use to get in and for lifts and things to get into here. And then at the back there, that's where the gym is. As you can see, very busy. Not sure if I'll be able to get a sunbed today. This is the entrance to our block. So when you get to your apartment, you will have been given a PIN code. And on the door there, you just enter your PIN code and then the little, they call it check, but the tick, and that'll let you in. And you have to do the same thing to lock the door. It doesn't auto-lock when you leave the building. So this is the 2-bedroom flat when you come in. And the first thing you find yourself thinking is, actually, this is big. So the price is, depends if you're using cashback sites and the like, but you'll be paying something between £88 and £120, depends on the night. Midweeks are much cheaper. You've got a big double fridge there. You've got a full-size oven, microwave, and you've got a very nice coffee machine, which we'll do a separate video on that. And you've got absolutely everything you could need here. And some of the things you'll never need. Actually, I suppose the one thing you don't have is a kettle. You have to use the coffee machine there with tea bags and an adapter to make it rather than a kettle. So there's a dishwasher, and you've got sink disposal. You've got all the different liquids and tablets you need for all the different machines, which is a nice touch. And the one thing that I do find very useful if you're away for an extended period is to have either a washer dryer, or in this case a washer and a dryer. So you've got an American washer there, which is front loading, and you've got a tumble dryer there. Oh, wrong way around. You've got a washing machine, which is a top loader, and a tumble dryer, which is a front loader. Some of your apartments you'll find they stack. There's a sort of a one unit that does both. There's only one TV here. The bedrooms don't have TV. Aircon is very good, and most of the rooms have got fans that you can flip on and off. Now it looks in the design, this area here, which I'm sort of using as an office, in some of the buildings, that is outside. I'll probably show you next door. And you have a little sort of veranda outside behind bug mesh. Don't know if you can make that out there. You've got an outdoor little area. So depends which one you're renting, really. hard floor with a little bit of carpet here and there. It doesn't come with any maid service. It's just done before you come and before you leave. You need to pay around £80 per cleaned if you want to do that. I guess for a lot of people, you've got all the chemicals, you've got the washers. This is pretty easy to do yourself. Now on the counter there, you will find you've got your special pass that you need to put on the rear view mirror of your car, otherwise that'll get towed at your expense. And obviously showing you if you come in and out using the fob, and the building, the room itself has its own PIN number to get in and out. It doesn't self-lock, remember, so you've got to lock it when you're outside. There is tons of cupboards. This one just has the aircon unit in it. But there's more storage space than you ever need. You don't normally get enough now, do you, on a lot of the little hotels? So there are 2 bathrooms. This one is sort of a shower bath, and the other ensuite is a shower. You've got, again, everything you need here. Hair dryers and things all put away. Then you've got this big bedroom here, again with a fan. You can't see it, but if you were to carry on in that direction, you are just going to come to the sea. We're not very far from the sea. They have access to the pools, but you don't have access to the clubhouse and some of the other facilities. And then you've got big walk-in wardrobes for each of the bedrooms, so you're not falling over yourself with stuff here. And then you've got your ironing board and iron. Right, we just need to go into the other bedroom then. So the second bedroom, again, no TV. You do get 1 bottle of water when you arrive. And you can see it's going to be quite a rainy night. Parking is not that easy if you arrive here late at night. You're definitely not going to get to park outside your apartment, and you might find just getting a parking space anywhere. There's a lot of people live here. That's the other walk-in wardrobe, and then this one is the second of the bathrooms. This one you see has got a full-size shower. So there you are. I hope you found that useful. As you say, you'll find this on hotels.com, or you can book it direct. The company that we're with, I think, is Barsala. I'll put the links below. We haven't been paid or incentivised anyway. This is just my review. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. That'll really help me. This is Paul from London, currently in Tampa in Florida, and I will see you in the next video. Cheerio. Shark in the water at Clearwater, Florida.